Swallow.
So if you're wondering about the little wind in the background, it's the fan. Jamaica hot bad.
We can't turn it off.
We can't turn it off. We cannot. So today it's a little bit setting kind of, you know, different, switch up.
More intimate.
Yeah. So last week, both of us asked questions on our Instagram. We posted a question where we said, you know, ask us some spicy questions for this video. So that's what we're doing today. Just some random questions, kind of like a random kind of video, kind of. We just was in the mood to do a little fun video, but the twist to this Q&A is that we're gonna be doing it tipsy. No, we're not tipsy yet. So we're gonna be taking shots. So we're gonna do like 3 shots before we jump in.
Say 4.
Show me. Me say 4? No,
yeah,
3. If me did say 4, I say probably say 3 or 4.
You lying ass.
You said 4 just today, like.
We're going to take 3 shots before we jump into the question. So for the shot, we're going to be taking Campari shots. Same bottle of Campari. Yeah. I shall make your heat so far, by the way.
What?
I
already turned off your eyes. I ain't drinking no.
Okay, this is mine. Ready?
Wait.
This kind of ash, you know. This rough, you know.
Alright, ready. Alright, wait.
Alright.
Why?
Or 1, 2.
No, not count.
Why?
Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Them people, that must think say I Campari alone would drink. We could have had something else, but Shama did want to have this instead. So, alright, wait, no, wait.
Yes, wait. All the heat in my body.
Guys, if you're gonna do something like anybody else out there wanna do a Q&A like this, make sure it's down there on the yard.
I wanna eat food.
I wanna eat food first, and y'all ain't going nowhere. No man, this ash bad. This rough pan is my hat.
What's your fire?
Okay.
I want you to take already though.
So
anyway, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, no. Ready? Alright. I'm a church say amen.
Church? You just said church. It's ash, you know. You don't feel your stomach cut here out.
Every eating everybody, I come out through my mouth right now as me I speak. Wait. Alright, yeah.
Ready? You want one more?
No! It's hard for swallow.
Wow, one more shot I want to seal it. This is the final shot. So this is
yeah man, me start feel it, you know. You start seal it, you know. Ready?
You say yes?
Boy. Ready?
Wait, hold on.
Hold on there. That one wasn't so bad.
I put this song right here, so. I feel it. Why would take so much shots? Ready?
When you were kids, don't ever tell lie and get the other one in trouble. I'm pretty sure I did.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did too. Like,
Charlie, are you already? No,
you know, that happened only like if something drink out or eat out. Probably ended it immediately.
Wow.
That was years ago. Calm down. I'm not still do that, Chami, because
I feel like you're still do
it. There most of the time.
No, I'm not do most of the time. Sometimes your mom do, but me still there.
Alright. What if a girl call you saying Divine wants up her body? What was
Divine wants up her body?
Wants up her body? What would you clap back? What would be your clap back? First of all, I'd ask for all the receipts. I'd want to see the messages, if pictures are involved, everything, the dates, the time, everything. Like legit, I'd speak to her and get all the facts straight. And then when I don't get all the facts straight, then me I go approach him. And it's done. Yeah. Wait, I know. If
one girl
if you're in
call
the
me
yeah,
and
yeah.
so, man, forget the receipt first, you know. You see, after me get the receipts, me I go from
what?
Yeah.
No, because they have mischievous people. A whole heap of mischievous people.
No, but that's why I have to get my receipts first.
You can't attack people, so you have to attack people when you have the receipts.
Will you kiss a boy while Sue is there?
What?
I can't. What will you kiss Divine like while you're in front of me? Not like
you never did that with wedding.
That different, idiot. You have to, but like if you're there at the house and like you and him in
deep passionate.
Yeah, like me and you and him in the couch.
That's weird. That's weird.
No.
Like, but if he's like little choops, like
that's different.
Different.
I choops that.
But like deep passionate kiss, no, you can't save that for private.
That would be like so uncomfortable for me.
Yeah.
If you have a photo connection, why?
Yes, you're so wicked.
No, I say like if you like we'll take a next shot, like we'll take a next shot.
So wait, no. No. Throw some more in this.
I never seen her.
Why the f you lying? Why?
Yeah, that one.
Don't you know? Alright, ready? Who is likely to give you a hickey? You or your husband? Him! Me don't like hickey. I don't like hickey. But him.
Wait, like what you said, like who is likely to
give an hickey?
So, if you not like it, how you make him give you?
Cause him like
That you
just sneak it. You understand him really?
What?
So you prefer forget it than give it?
The thing is, me not easy forget it. So sometimes when we try give me but it no success, so my skin very thick.
What's that?
My skin, yeah.
Okay, skin,
yeah, it's very thick.
It's me tipsy but me not drunk.
Tipsy, not drunky. Like guys, listen, we wait a good 10 minutes to the liquor soaking, right? So like
Missy, I look a while.
what would be the first thing you would do if you woke up one day and you were the opposite sex? What the hell would I do? Where do I know?
Like,
You don't try to look a girl?
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Make sure to
Make sure to what? Make sure to what?
if me naked, what did the see?
No, but it sound like you go run naked.
Make sure to the done.
Make sure to the dandara. They get $1 million. Yeah, like give me
Okay.
But the thing is, like, you get the girl and you see everything now for make it function. Like,
for make it function. I want a machine.
What's the creepiest thing you ever did? So,
What?
someone knows this.
What's the creepiest thing you ever do?
Me.
You ever do?
Mm-hmm.
The creepy.
Someone
Oh,
knows
you want to
this.
talk about it?
And I am.
No.
It's kinda. It's not creepy.
It's
just
not
like,
creepy.
It's just like borderline stalkerish.
Stalker?
Like,
Yo, my man got somewhere else.
what are you talking about?
Never mind me.
Yeah, I stalk.
Wait, who Why did you create the fake account? Tell him why you created it.
Fast.
But ooh.
Niggas.
Ooh.
Stop it. You're making your hair get
I'm
caught
sorry.
in my lip
It's
gloss.
just so long. It's just so long. Sorry. Oh, my turn. If I ever plan on being in music videos or even movies, if so, would I do a sex scene?
No. Me not have to make she answer that. No. What the hell?
Suppose it's a big Hollywood movie, like
50 Shades of Grey?
no, a lot of money. Would you do it?
We can spend this check together.
You would do it?
It's not really happening.
It's like porn. Okay, so you do it in a case where
It's not
when you're wearing
happening.
a guard.
Yeah. If it's not happening, then yeah. If it's happening, then no. Me. Oh.
If me I do it. Oh, my question to know, right? Oh my. If I'm going to do it, no. No. Wait, why did you say? Hold on. Alright, wait. Movies, I don't mind doing movies, you know, but doing a sex scene, I'll pass.
Between you and Sue, who is the crazy one?
You?
Yeah, for sure.
What the hell? You all
No doubt
day,
about
like
it.
everybody know that. That is too easy. Would you rather walk naked or eat out of the garbage bin? I'd walk naked.
Eh? Wait, what the question?
Would you rather walk naked or eat out of the garbage bin?
Why you say that brother want naked? Why?
Yeah, you eat out of garbage bin? Yeah, put garbage in your system. Dirty stuff, bacteria.
I'm for want naked.
But can't finesse it.
No, you cannot.
Yes.
You're naked and you cannot put no leaf over your vagina and
I'm going to.
pasties over your breast.
I'm going to.
No, you cannot.
I am going to.
So the question is, would you walk fully naked, like nothing covering you at
I
all?
want naked. You gonna eat out of the garbage bin?
Yes, I am. I am.
You gonna eat out of the garbage bin?
Yeah.
Show me you don't care where you're putting in your body?
You can't go doctor.
Show me you don't have the money.
They never said that.
You
So
don't
I have the money.
Show me why you eat out of the garbage bin. In the first place, if you have money.
No, them
Talk
give me
the truth.
ultimate
Show me.
time.
Show me if you have money and not eat out of the garbage bin. We should have just done this, Buckle.
Jesus
We should
Christ.
just, but we just done it.
Jesus.
Stop calling the Lord name in vain. Come.
No.
No, it can't well.
It can't roll. Why man? One can't roll
Oh
and
my
yours
God.
can't
Show me.
roll.
You gotta throw it away.
You see how she catch your full man to the brim and now I feel full to the brim.
Alright, wait.
Don't.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait. I want to get up on me throat. Your question, alright? I want to. If you ever had to marry either SpongeBob, Patrick, or Squidward,
What?
yeah, you know that question. You know that question.
If
If you had to marry either SpongeBob, Patrick, or Squidward, who would you choose? Why?
SpongeBob, because everybody knows that me and him married already. So what kind of question that be? That's my husband. I me him love, and I me him love.
Okay.
I guess nobody, because she take the one and only person we don't choose, which is SpongeBob.
So why you could do that with
But don't want Squidward. Squidward too stuck up, and
Patrick
the-
is not an option.
Patrick, I'm sorry, I cannot with Patrick. Patrick could work. SpongeBob one.
I can't really find no questions. Y'all ask me some X-rated questions. Like, goddamn. You're not planning to get yourself a divine and be like divine and Sue. First of all,
First of all, speak up.
I ain't trying to be like Sue and divine.
First of all, she don't need to be like me and Divine. She needs to be like Shami and question mark. I don't know. who,
Period.
right? Yeah, because everybody have for them one flavor, but I understand what the person means.
Yeah.
You know? But the thing is, Like, I have a YouTube, right? She has a YouTube as well.
I just don't use it.
She's not using it, which is, I just want to knock her all the time, but like, we can't force her. She have a YouTube. I've vlogged my journey along the way, and that's not her case, you know. Like, that doesn't, just because unless she posts up or whatever,
Don't mean whatever.
don't mean what.
You
Don't
know
mean
what I'm
what.
saying?
No, they don't.
Read between the lines.
No, speak it out loud.
It's because y'all don't see me post. Alright, well, that's a like. Couple people. We can't move on.
No. Speak.
Since recently, I done did some Q&As on Instagram.
Speak.
And people done ask me if I was single. And I,
What's this accent?
and I said I was. Nah,
Tipsy accent.
that's not true.
Oh, you said you were?
Because I was at the time, but that's not true right now.
Oh, is it the same person or did you move on?
Yes, it is the same person. Okay, moving on. Thank you for your time.
Where's the worst place you've ever
By the way,
felt the urge to poo? What did you do?
Ooh. Story time, story time, story time. So, but in the summertime, me and someone, I think at Emancipation Park, we did their kill time one evening. The day when we did drink the pink drink from Starbucks.
What?
Remember clearly. And when I touch half a tree, that's all.
Oh, yeah, we went to Burger King?
And I eat one nuggets and fries.
Yeah.
And I did 6 o'clock at evening, so traffic back up
Total.
on the road. When I tell you, so I feel my belly go. This one. Nice patch. Alright, we are making way through the traffic now as best as possible, you know. You see, when we touch my lines, Jesus Christ, I start sing. Also, wash me now. I tell you, so the whole way down, I feel like God did not let me go, or him just lamp on me. I'm able
Let you go in a my car?
Yes.
In a my car?
Yes,
You
in
must
the
be mad.
car.
You must be mad.
In a
Would I
car.
make you come off and go at the island
You're
in a
too
road?
like.
Shame. In the car? You must be mad. That reach me a road? It feel like hell. Full speed. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for all the questions for now. Well, some of them were just way too X-rated.
Mine for sure. Like, I don't know what y'all think this is over here.
But this was fun. Man, I like how you feel.
yeah,
Feel nice.
Yeah.
When I drink. Not even close. But this was fun. This was different.
Yeah.
I'm happy we did it. It was a
finished
cool little-
the bottle.
There's something that we've been wanting to do from like all summer. Yeah, something that we've been wanting to do from all summer.
Kind of different.
It's kind of different, and it would definitely
expect it from us.
Yeah, so I don't know, look out for it. I don't know, it might be on this channel, it might be on my vlog channel, I'm not sure, but look out for it. It's
More than likely it will be on the vlog channel, so go subscribe.
right, yeah, go subscribe to Petite Sue TV. It's gonna be lit. It's definitely going to be lit, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, go and big up on yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. So until then, bye. Period, poo.